Let me explain the concept of human life value. In need analysis, all features, you will find HLV family support. Now, we often notice that people compare insurance with other investment options, but insurance is actually meant to provide family security. Human life value concept helps you to convince your client of how much insurance he should take so that his family is protected in his absence. So when you're going to meet your client and you need to show him his human life value, you will use HLV family support. Let us now see how to do the data entry of HLV. Tap on it. Now here, the name, you will get a drop-down list of various salutations. Choose the appropriate one. I choose Mr. Say we are making it for Mr. Deepak Shah. His date of birth. Scroll to get the correct date. So Jan 25th, 1978. Set. His age is 35. Requirement age, we say at the age of 58 he will retire. Inflation rate. We take it as 8%. Saving interest rate 10%. Family expenses, that is the amount. Family expenses, that is the amount that he spends on his family, say 3,60,000. Existing savings. Now when you go and talk to him, you may ask him that, sir, what are your other savings that you have generated? For example, PPF, FD, what is the amount of that? He may tell you that it's say about 4 lakh rupees. Also his existing life cover, if he may have, he may say that yes, I have a 10 lakh life cover. Enter it here. Now looking at what if analysis. Using what if analysis, you can convince him that, sir, this is going to sustain for your family in your absence for only so many number of years. Tap over here. Tick on include what if analysis. Cash provision, say 10 lakhs. Tap on calculate. Now HLV family support result. Name Mr. Deepak Shah, present age 35 years, retirement age 58 years. Whatever information we have given, accordingly a report is generated. Now his human life value is rupees 68,50,000. Existing insurance of 10 lakhs. Savings 4 lakhs. So total provision that Mr. Deepak Shah has already made is 14 lakhs. Hence the insurance needed to fill this gap is 54,50,000. Now what if scenario, if a total cash provision made is only 10 lakhs, then in his absence, his family will be able to sustain for 2 years with this corpus. So as you can see, very clearly you will be able to convince Mr. Deepak Shah that he requires this value of insurance.